Hello, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing Ohuhu Polygel nail kit. Let's see what we've got here. This is a very big box. Oh my goodness, how am I gonna take this off? Alright, let's see what's inside. Oh wow, this looks beautiful. In this kit, you have your base coat and a top coat. It also comes with this tool that has a brush on one end and a spatula on the other. It comes with the nail file. I like this file much better than the ones that usually come in the Polygel kits. Feels like about probably 100, 180. Those black nail files usually create black dust around the nail, and that's the main reason I don't like those nail files all that much. This set also comes with cuticle pusher, but I already done my prep, so I don't get to use it. It is very similar to the one that I already have. I don't remember where this one came from, but I like the tip on the one that I have a little bit better. This little tool has a cuticle pusher on one end and the dead skin scraper on the other side. Alright, next we have the plastic dual forms. Okay, so these are pretty standard. I love that they come in a box and they give pretty good coverage. Some dual forms come in a little chaos package like this, where you have to dig through the whole thing and dump the whole thing to find the right size. And then I have another type. There's this type that has no markings or anything. So, but just to compare it to others, these are longer. They have a decent curve. With this set, you can do longer nails than with these little guys. It also comes with this lip solution and 4 glitters. This kit has 8 colors of Polygel. It comes in clear, white, in this very pretty pink, in this beautiful bright pink, in this beautiful clear pink iridescent glitter gel. Look how beautiful. This pink glitter Polygel has more pink pigment in it, and it has holographic glitter. Here's this red one with the tiny holographic glitters, and here's this clear one with holographic glitter. This is what they look like when they're uncured. Now let's see how strong they are. Ah, look at that, they came off as one thing. Okay, so you can see that the thicker ones did not cure as well. The ones with a higher pigment content did not cure all the way, but I didn't cure it for a long time. I just wanted to kind of snap cure. Remember that all high pigment gels and polygels need longer curing time. This clear one is not ideal. It's not very see-through if you want to do a thick layer. Okay, now let's check these bad boys. Okay, let's see the back. So this one, again, didn't cure as well because it has more pigment. This one is really strong. I like that. And I absolutely in love with this one. It is so beautiful. It looks so much better in real life than on the camera. I have already done my nail prep. Actually, next I'm going to go with the base coat. This one is a good size actually. I must say, this base coat goes on very nice. This base coat is not as runny as most base gels that come in the Polygel kits, so that's a plus for me at least. I like this, and I think when the base is a little bit thicker, it is easier to apply. The instructions recommend curing for 1 minute. I'm pouring some slip solution into this damping dish. Alright, picking the sizes. Get a number on one side, and the other side is your cuticle side. So, and it has all the markings for however long you'd like your nails to be. I think I'm going to go for this one, for the one before last. That's what I'm going to do. No, I kind of take it back with this base gel. Kind of cured patchy. So I've decided to go with a second coat of the base gel to make sure I don't have any bold spots that will cause lifting. I'm going to start with the easy one and with the one I'm most excited about. It is this number 7. I wish they had names. This Ohuhu Polygel kit comes with its own slip solution, but it's a very small amount and you can just use rubbing alcohol. My experience with glitter polygels, they are a little bit too sticky. Putting it in the form with the brush doesn't always work. But this one actually works just fine. Look at that, not an issue. If it seems like your polygel is sticky, then simply use an orange wood stick. And when you cure, just flip your finger upside down a couple times to make sure that you get nice curing all the way through. On my pinky, I will be using this P14 color. This pink one molds really nice and easy. It's giving me no trouble at all. I'm liking this. It's always nice when the polygel behaves. This one is going to be gradient. I applied just a small amount of this pink polygel. I actually need a lot less. I just realized that I need a lot less. This color is going to be by the cuticle, so I wanted to start with this color and then blend with the other pink. I had never actually done a gradient before with polygel, but doing gradient with two similar colors is a lot more forgiving than doing it with very different colors. Next, I'm going to do my thumb. I'm gonna try to do something interesting here. So I'm going to apply a decently thick layer of the clear polygel on the area where the free edge will be, and now we'll apply glitter in that area, and then the pink polygel will go on top. Now all is left is to wipe off all the dust and apply a top coat. Those are longer than I'm used to. Yeah, these nails turned out pretty nice. I really like them. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.